The Bellwood Street Money Road intersection upgrade. My rates contributed to this $4.7 million project. I'm sure it's going to change for me any second. Any second. Hang on. And now. No. Wiggling my wheel. No. Now. No, it doesn't seem to be working. How odd. Definitely not changing. Maybe if I back up and try the right turn lane, maybe that'll detect me.
And it doesn't matter if you travel by car or by bus, in a ferry, on a train, on foot or in a wheelchair, in an Uber or on an e-scooter, this council has got your back.
Still nothing. Let's just loop around, come back again. Maybe it just didn't detect me the first time. You know, bikes are light, sometimes you don't get triggered. Let's try again. I'll swerve around, make sure I get onto the loop. Is it changing? No. Alright, I'll just go back again. Oh, here comes a car. That'll trick it. Oh wait, there's a car waiting. Oh look! It's changing! Oh, silly me. All I had to do was to wait for a car to come. Thanks, Brisbane City Council. I'm so glad you had my back.